Perfect. Perfect.
Thank you for requesting Kolors. The original dance is made by Ryan Daniels Jr., but we're going to do Charli D'Amelio's version because you guys requested it, and of course she's fun. But there are differences between those versions because let's say Ryan rolls to the back and Charli rolls to the front. If you want to do his version, of course you got to check his version out, but we're going to do Charli's version. But there's also one more thing that is very important to me, is subscribing and hit a notification bell and also give it a thumbs up because that's going to help me out. And also one more thing, the dance looks easier than it is. There's a few things that you really need to pay attention to. Let's say there's a part where you go a little slower and then speed it up. Those things might take a bit of practice, but I believe in you guys. You guys can do it, and of course you got me. I'm going to help you out. So let's get started. So we start out with our right arm. Boom, left hand on top of your right. So it's like you're holding a mop. So you pretty much holding like a stick, a broom. Yes? So let's do that from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So make sure it's big. Yes? Then we're going to lean forward and we're going to make this motion. This is like you're having a hammer in your hand. And it's very relaxed, so it's not too tight, not too aggressive, but very relaxed. So this is your arm going from side to side, like you're hitting something, but also your upper body going from side to side. So this is very important because if you only do this, it's going to be a little bit boring, but you want to swing from side to side. Yes, make it playful and relax your shoulders. So we got bum, 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 and lean backward. So you're going to go forward and back, forward and backwards, forward and backwards, forward and backwards. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's going to end down with your arm because after that we're going to go like this. Yes? So let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to hit that wall. I will explain it. So when we do this, it's like you're wiping something away, and here. You don't have to look, but it's just away, hands up, and then from your hands up, you're going to go towards your shoulder. So you have here and shoulder. So you have this, here, and shoulder. So let me explain this whoa motion. This is like you having a stick in your shoulder and you want to pull it back because the whoa is done in different ways, but what you need to understand is that it's a lock motion where you lock a certain move. So let's say you have your arm and you go down, you're gonna go stop it. Yeah, you're going to lock that motion. Same for this. You lock that move because we make a pulling movement, you lock it. Yes? So act like you're having something in your shoulder, you pull it away, and when you're pretty much at a certain point, you stop it. And what I mean by stopping, you tension your muscle, so you freeze it. Yeah? The effect which you can bring is having a little bit of an extra shake to it. Yeah? This takes time to really make it natural. Yeah? But do take your time. But the easy version is just stopping your body. Yes? So when we have this and pull, see how I'm going from here and pull, here, pull, up, pull. So when we have this, here, and pull, let me go like this, here, ha, and pull. Yeah? This arm, most of the time you see this, you can have that same effect that you do with your shoulder, with your arm. Yeah? Don't just go like this, but you just give it a bit of an extra tension, relax. Yeah? Yes? Okay, so take your time practicing that. So, when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa. Yeah, and if I'm correct, the beat goes like da 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 hum pa. Yes. So let's go on. So when we have that whoa, there's going to be this roll clap. Yeah. So you have a roll clap, roll clap, roll clap, roll forward, clap. But when you have that whoa, there's a little bit of a weight. You have whoa and clap, whoa and clap. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So that means when you leave a little bit of time here before you do that roll, that means that roll is gonna go a little faster because you need to make up for that time. Boom, ah, ba, boom, ha, ba. Because normally, if you would do a normal count, you would go just like this. Boom and ba, but there's a bit of a ka, boom, ba, da. That's how you give the dance a little bit of a dynamic, that it's more just not simple. Yes? So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes? Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Yeah, so if 1, 2, 3. So after the 1, 2, 3, 4, there's going to be I don't know how you would call this motion. It's just like you have I know. It's like you're having like this stick with a ribbon on it and you just go like this, like a flag. Yeah? So you go like boom, boom, boom. And this I'm going to explain too. Because we're gonna go here and then you're going to lean a little bit to the side. But you're going to make this motion. You're more on your toes. Yeah? Like this. So there's going to be 2 of them. Boom, 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 boom. And you're going to act like you're almost falling to the right. So there's going to be a little bit of an off balance moment there. Yeah? So you have boom, 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 boom. So I'm going to count it in. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. So we're going to go 8, boom, boom. No, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we go 4, 5, and 6. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this hand goes in and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when you can also use your shoulder if you want to. To make it a little bit more jumpy. Yeah? And 6. But definitely just don't forget your heels. Yes? Let's do it slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah? And 6. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So really bam. So this is also in the lyrics. I just forgot which lyrics it is, but I know for sure there's a little bit of a weight after that whoa. Whoa and ba, ah, bam, bam. Yes? So when we have bam, bam, there's going to be a ka, ah, ah. Left arm in the front. Yes? Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. So when we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. And then we're going to go into this ahi. Yeah? Ka, 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 boom, boom. Yeah? Ka, 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 boom, boom. And I also have a tutorial on this, how you can practice this. Yes? So when we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Then we're going to have this wavy motion. Yeah? So we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 of these. It's just like you're waving, yeah? Wave, wave, front, yeah? Wave, wave, front. Wave, wave, front. Wave, wave, front. So it goes in, another wave, wave into this. You're pointing to the front, yeah? Wave, wave, front. We're going to have this body roll motion. And it goes from here. So you bring your arms together and you open it up. And at the same time, when your elbows are going up, then the rest follows. So it's your arms goes first, elbows, then your body comes through it. But it's a fast one because we have, let's say, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Or here, here. So, so pay attention to this part because it's really fast. So we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? So 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then we're almost there. Yes? So we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point to yourself, to the front, and then we're going to have another one of these. And this one is like a little bit slower, yeah? 1, 2, 3, ha, yeah? So it goes here, out, and here. This one has less of a whop effect, but more like a whoo, here, and she goes okay. And the okay gets cut off in the audio, so you don't hear the K, but it's like oh, yeah? So you just show this, yes? So we have 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, wah, ah. Yeah, it's like T. 1, 2, and 1, 2 counts for both sides. Yeah? Let's do it slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and it's like not almost on the 4, it's like in between there, but make sure it goes here, and here, and you can just go like this. Or you could just do something else. Yes? So, this is pretty much it. Do it with the music. There's in the description a link where you can practice with the music. First you build it up slow like we just practiced, and then you go a little bit faster. Yes? So, have fun, and I will see you the next time.